Gusto mo na mag-work from home pero wala kang magandang resume? ChatGPT plus Canva ang pinakang naging game changer para sa mga mentees ko. Hi, my name is Mary, and if gusto mo na makapag-work from home pero wala ka pang solid na resume, relax, tutulungan kita. This is task number 7 of BA Life this 2025, and sa previous video ko, I introduced ChatGPT, which is going to be a vital tool para sa mga susunod na tasks natin. Kasi alam ko, nakaka-stress gumawa ng ATS-friendly na resume, lalo na kung hindi mo pa alam kung saan ka magsisimula. Pero ngayon, sobrang dali na. Gagamit lang tayo ng ChatGPT at Canva. Here's how. Google Chrome, pagkatapos dito sa waffle icon, click on that and then choose Docs. Document para it will open a new doc for you. All of your previous work experience, you want to list it down is kung ano yung position, yung taon, pangalan ng company, location, at kung ano-ano yung day-to-day tasks mo. On file, click on download and then download it as PDF. ChatGPT. Pagkatapos, ito yung pinakang simpleng prompt na pwede mong gamitin, which says, can you create an ATS-friendly resume based on the document I uploaded? I want to apply for a remote job. However, keep in mind na specific, mas maganda. But for now, since general VA naman yung applyan natin, okay na to. Then click on the plus sign. Pagkatapos, i-add mo yung pinakang dinownload mo na PDF kanina. At all you have to do is click the plus sign, click on add photos and files, and then choose the PDF file na ginamit natin. Then all you have to do is hit this. And it will create a resume for you. As you can see, kasama na lahat dyan, summary, core competencies, pati yung mga experience, iloload na yan based dun sa document na ginawa natin kanina. Open Canva, pagkatapos, under templates, type resume, and it will give you a list of designs na pwede mong gamitin. Napipiliin mo yung walang ganito ha, kasi pag may ganyan, ibig sabihin meron siyang element na ba yan. For example, is a free template. You can click here, pagkatapos, click mo lang customize template, and it will allow you na to customize that particular design wherein from ChatGPT, ita-transfer mo lang yung information na to this design and you'd be able to print this. Sample lang na-edit mo na to with your information. All you have to do is click on share at pagkatapos pwede mo na siyang i-download. Imagine in seconds may draft ka na. Bonus pa doon na pwede mong tanungin si ChatGPT kung anong jobs yung bagay sa'yo based sa experience mo. No need na ng mahal na resume writer. Mas mabilis kang makakapaghanap ng remote jobs. Tapos nakaayos pa for ATS or applicant tracking system ang resume mo. Matututo ka rin na ibenta yung skill set mo ng mas confident. Kung gusto mo pang matuto paano magsimula mag-work from home, i-follow mo ako for more tips, and don't forget to document your journey. Tag me and use the hashtag VA Life this 2025. I will see you sa next task. Bye!